Beneficiaries of the Conditional Cash Transfer Program are being encouraged to report politicians using the CCT to intimidate voters in the coming elections. The DSWD assured CCT beneficiaries will continue to receive such assistance from the government to boost the campaign against unscrupulous politicians. The DSWD launched Bawal ang Epal. Freddy Abando reports.
Politicians are warned not to use the Conditional Cash Transfer Program to win votes for the May 2013 elections. No less than President Aquino called on beneficiaries of the program to report these politicians, some of whom threatened they will be removed from the list if they vote for them. Because of this, the DSWD Undersecretary Dinky Soliman launched the Bawal ang Epal, a nationwide campaign which is directed in informing all recipients to immediately report cases of intimidation by scrupulous candidates and their supporters. To date, there are 50 pending cases. 2 DSWD personnel are under investigation for their connections with some politicians.
Mahalaga na maprotektahan natin ang programa para tuloy-tuloy po ang pag-iimplementa. Pangatlo, nakita namin na bagamat ginagawa yon, mahalagang mapaunawa sa mga kasama, lalong-lalo na sa mga benepisyaryo sa malalayong lugar. Kaya malaking pasalamat namin sa mga parent leaders. Kasi ang parent leaders talaga ang kasama naming nagsasabi ano ang mga patakaran ng programa at nagpapaliwanag kung papaano ito isinasabuhay. Kaya't mahalaga ang papel ng parent leaders sa pagpapaliwanag. Kaya nabuo itong Bawal Epal campaign.
It looks like there is an attempt to discredit the CCT program given the success under the Aquino administration. No less than the World Bank cited the gains of the DSWD in implementing the program. Compliance of beneficiaries is 98%. Monitoring of the program is done on a sustained basis.
Hindi ito ginagamit ng kahit sino. At kung meron man, isumbong nyo. Dahil may mga aksyon na pwedeng gawin.
Recipients of the program are speaking out, sharing the blessings of the CCT. One of them is Galfo. Before, he was an underperformer in class. Now, he is proud to say he is the valedictorian of his class and dreams to be an engineer. So our parents, mostly women, are thankful to the President for the benefits they have received from the Conditional Cash Transfer Program.
Nakakatulong po sa amin yung programa dahil sa katunayan po sa aming area noon, ang mga bata po doon, ang mga anak ng mga bawat pamilya ay madalas po nakatsinelas lang po sila pag pumapasok. Nung nagkaroon po ng programa, medyo nakabili na po sila kahit yung numerain lang po dyan sa palengke na at least nakasapatos po sila ng itim.
Malaking bagay na po yung dire-diretso yung pagbabasahan namin.
Kung kami po ay gumraduate ngayong December, dire-diretso pa rin po ang may bibigyan na tulong sa amin. Kahit na po ito ay sinasabing utang, at least wala siyang tubo. Ibibigay sa amin ng maluwag na hindi tulad ng kung mawawala na kami sa Pantawid, mangungutang kami ng 5-6. Ang 5-6 is malaki ang tubo. Ang Seyakay, yung sinasabi na may seminar pa kaming ibibigay sa amin kung paano kami makakakuha ng mga livelihood.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.